Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix verification failed. There was a problem connecting to this server. So guys, if you're also facing this issue on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly and your mobile service is also working properly. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software. After this go back and now you have to simply scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this go back and now tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. After this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So I simply press and hold the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button and restart your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open a support app on your device, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple support team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.